part.
Yep.
Oh my god.
All Ami's fault. The fact that we are locked out of Holly's house where all our belongings are.
Why aren't your neighbours in? It's gonna work if we put our minds to it. Come on, Thumbelina could do it, so can we.
Thumbelina's as big as a thumb, you idiot. That's why she's called Thumbelina.
She could do it.
No, look, this isn't even funny.
Yeah, but you don't even know what you just posted Rosemary through her door.
No, I didn't.
Or whatever it's called.
Yes, we can finish.
Oh god, I feel something!
Oh my god, it's the wall. Oh, do that surprise face again, it was funny.
Shut up, I can feel the I can feel it.
What are you feeling?
She's locked me out of my house.
I'm sorry.
She's gonna lose the stick in there. And then
Yeah.
Mom's gonna have like
Dog!
a stick of rosemary inside my system.
Did you get the keys,
Yeah,
Amy?
Jingle, jingle, jingle!